peeps? This is Dan here with Drywall Solution. Today we're going to be using the angle roller. I think this thing was originally designed for painting, but we're going to use it to roll some angles in. And a trash can dolly with a drywall lid screwed onto it. We're going to use this to push our mud around so we don't have to tote it. But anyway, let's get to it. The more you use this, the better it runs. Usually about the first 2 to 3 angles, you better pay attention, because if you don't leave enough mud behind, you will get blisters. A lot of blisters. And it will not be pretty. I usually use a hawk instead of a pan because you can just scrape it right off back in the bucket and keep on rolling. But anyway, I don't know about for y'all homeowners, but for the more experienced guy, this right here will definitely speed you up when it comes to running angles, but it also has a learning curve. When I first used it, I had a lot of blisters in my angles. Didn't use it for a long time, but when I got with the right person and understood how to use it, it made a big difference. Anyway, y'all have a good one. Well, I'll let you later.